According to tradition, on Thanksgiving on the festive table there must be a stuffed turkey and a sweet pumpkin pie. At dinner, each family member says thanks for all the good events that happened in his life over the year. After that, a festive treat begins. Best Thanksgiving turkey recipes: turkey in butter. Ingredients: turkey, 1 pc. Butter, 150 grams. Salt, pepper, and rosemary, to taste. Vegetable oil, 10 grams. Onions, 1 pc. Cooking method: 1. Prepare, wash, dry the turkey meat. 2. Melt the butter, mix it with pepper, salt, and rosemary. 3. Separate the skin from the meat and place a creamy mixture between them. 4. To prevent skin tearing, the turkey should be at room temperature. 5. Inside the turkey, put the whole onion, cut crosswise. 6. Lubricate the meat with vegetable oil, tightly wrap in foil, put in an oven preheated to 140 degrees Celsius and bake for 3 to 3.5 hours. 7. After that, remove the foil and bake the turkey for another 1 to 1.5 hours. Read What to Cook for the New Year 2020. Recipes for the festive table: turkey with oranges and wine. Ingredients for the dish: turkey, 3 to 4 kilograms. Carrot, 1 pc. Celery stalk, 1 pc. Onion, 2 pcs. Butter, 60 grams. A pinch of paprika. Ground black pepper to taste. Salt to taste. Meat broth, 200 ml. For the sauce: cranberries, 300 grams. Orange, 1 pc. Icing sugar, 150 grams. Red wine, 150 grams. Cooking method: 1. Process the turkey meat, remove the fatty glands, wash, and dry. Inside and out, grate the turkey with salt and spices. 2. Peel and chop onions, carrots, and celery in large pieces. Put vegetables inside the turkey. Tie legs and wings so that they do not burn during baking. 3. Grease the turkey with butter. Pour the meat broth inside. 4. Place the turkey in the foil for baking, back to back. Cover the foil with paper clips. Put on a baking sheet and put in an oven preheated to 200 degrees. Turkey is cooked in approximately 2.5 to 3 hours, depending on weight. 5. Then you need to remove the foil from the turkey and put it back in the oven for 20 minutes, so that a golden brown crust forms on the meat. Get the vegetables from the turkey. 6. While the turkey is baked, you can make the sauce. To do this, grate the zest from an orange and squeeze the juice. 7. Combine cranberries, icing sugar, wine, and orange juice. Mix, put on fire and bring to a boil. Then reduce the heat and cook the sauce for about 30 minutes until thickened. 8. Grind with a blender and add zest. 9. Put the prepared turkey on a dish and serve with a side dish of potatoes and vegetables and with cranberry sauce.